Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Knipex 10-inch Cobra water pump pliers with 1000-volt insulated handles. These adjustable pliers adjust to your workpiece with the press of a button. They have 24 adjustment positions and the jaw capacity is up to 2 inches for round and 1 3/4 inches for hex. The steel that Knipex uses for these pliers is induction hardened to 61 HRC. This means that the overall tool and the gripping teeth in particular should last for a very long time. The handles on this tool meet or exceed all the American and international standards for 1000-volt insulated tools. In the event of accidentally encountering an energized source of electricity while you're working with this tool, these handles can save you from injury. At the same time, these handles are very comfortable to work with. Also, they're designed to eliminate accidental finger pinching. The self-locking adjustment feature is designed to speed up the work so you can get jobs done faster without having to worry about your pliers slipping. The jaws are designed to effectively grip a large number of differently shaped items. These pliers are made in Germany and the fit and finish is extraordinary. Because of the strength of the metal used to build the pliers, the head of this tool can be thinner so that you can get the tool into more places while you're working. The joint moves smoothly and precisely. These pliers weigh 13.8 ounces and they are 250 millimeters long, which is approximately 10 inches. I'll put a link in my video description for the Knipex Cobra 250 millimeter 1000-volt insulated adjustable pliers. And I'll put links for all of the Knipex 1000-volt insulated tools you see here, including the 250 millimeter alligator pliers, linesman pliers, needle nose pliers, electrical installation pliers, and the 165 millimeter cable shears. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.